Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to your favorite channel, NB English Learning. Hi, everyone. I hope you are doing great and ready to learn something amazing today.
Today's topic is very important for English learners.
Yes, today we are going to learn conjunctions, one of the most powerful parts of English grammar.
And don't worry, we will explain everything in a very simple and fun way.
Part 1. What is a conjunction?
Noor, first tell me, what is a conjunction?
Good question. A conjunction is a word that joins or connects words, phrases, or sentences.
Oh, like a bridge?
Exactly. Conjunction is like a bridge that connects ideas together.
Can you give a simple example?
Sure. I like tea and coffee. Here, and is a conjunction.
So and is connecting tea and coffee.
Yes, that's the job of a conjunction. Part 2. Why are conjunctions important?
But Noor, why do we need conjunctions?
Because without conjunctions, our sentences sound boring and broken.
Example, please.
Without conjunction, I am tired, I will sleep. With conjunction, I am tired, so I will sleep.
Wow, that sounds much better.
Part 3. Types of conjunctions.
Now, let's talk about types of conjunctions.
Yes, this is where students get confused.
1. Coordinating conjunctions, FANBOYS.
These are the most common ones. We remember them using FANBOYS. D, for, A, and, N, nor, B, but, O, or, Y, yet, S, so.
Let's explain each one with examples.
T, and adds information. Example, I study English and Urdu. B, but shows contrast. Example, I am tired, but I am working. O, or gives choice. Example, tea or coffee. S, so shows result. Example, I was late, so I ran fast. Because, important note, subordinating but common. Example, I stayed home because it was raining. Yet, similar to but, nor, negative addition, for gives reason, formal.
Wow, FANBOYS is very helpful.
2. Subordinating conjunctions.
These are a little advanced.
Students, focus here carefully.
These conjunctions connect a main clause with a dependent clause. Examples, because, reason, although, contrast, if, condition, when, time, while, simultaneous action, since, reason or time, unless, condition.
Example, please.
I stayed home because it was raining. Although he is rich, he is unhappy. I will go if you come.
Oh, so these make sentences more meaningful.
Exactly. They add depth and clarity.
3. Correlative conjunctions.
This one sounds difficult.
But it's easy. These come in pairs. Examples, either, or, neither, nor, both, and, not only, but also.
Example,
Either you come or stay home. Not only smart, but also hardworking. Part 4. Common mistakes.
Noor, students make mistakes here.
Yes, let's correct them.
Wrong, because I was tired. Correct, I slept because I was tired.
Wrong, although he is rich but unhappy. Correct, although he is rich, he is unhappy.
Very important tip.
Part 5. Daily use sentences.
Let's practice real-life sentences. I study hard because I want success. She is poor but happy. Call me when you arrive. I will not go unless you come.
This is very useful for spoken English.
Part 6. How to improve using conjunctions.
Now, the big question.
How can we improve our English using conjunctions?
Check. Combine sentences. Check. Use FANBOYS daily. Check. Practice speaking. Check. Watch English conversations. Check. Write 5 sentences daily.
Consistency is key.
Part 7. Mini practice.
Let's do quick practice. I was hungry, blank, I ate food. Answer, so. I stayed home, blank, it was raining. Answer, because. Tea, blank, coffee. Answer, or.
Try more in comments below.
So friends, today we learned conjunctions in a simple way.
Now you can easily connect sentences and speak better English.
If you liked this video,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.